Hello everyone, my name is Echo. I'm a graduate student from Columbia University, and this is my community contribution project. Um, Here I will show y'all how to visualize a K-means cluster using eqities from an equities portfolio. So the first thing we have to do here, which I've gone ahead and done already, is to install our packages and dependencies. From there, we make a list of our different tickers. This is just an arbitrary list of tickers within our portfolio. So here we have General Electric, IBM, Walmart, SPG, Morgan Stanley, Disney, so on and so forth. Then we initialize our portfolio to none. And then we run a loop to go through each ticker and get the daily close price um, from each ticker within the specified period of time. All this data is coming from Yahoo Finance as well through their get symbols function. Next thing I would go ahead and do is to do some data processing. First thing I'll do is to check that there is no missing data. There are no any columns or anything like that. From there, I change the XTS file that comes from Yahoo Finance into a data frame, so it's easier to do some cleaning and some editing. I'll then go ahead and add some columns that I will that I find useful. Some of them being daily returns and return variance. I'll put all the stock symbols under a column called symbols, and then I would put all of this into a new data frame called stocks. The last thing I would do here before doing my clustering analysis and visualization would be to standardize all this data to make sure that none of them are blown out of proportion and everything is on an even scale. So I'll go ahead and run this quickly. So as you can see here, there are no any values in each of the columns for the different securities. To create the clusters, I'll go ahead and follow this format here. I'll first create the clusters, and I'll find the best number of clusters for the data using the silhouette method. Then I'll create the cluster plot, and I'll write the cluster assignments to the data frame to figure out which specific securities are aligning to which cluster. So to create the cluster analysis, it would look like this. In order to find the optimal number of clusters, I'll run this. In order to create the cluster plot, I'll run this. And then to write these cluster assignments to a data frame, I'll simply run this. So putting this into action. This is what we get. Our first plot is telling us the number of optimal clusters. From here, we can see is 4. And then here, we have a visualization to visualize the different stocks based on their returns. In order to make this a bit more legible, we can look at our stocks data frame, and then we could get a mapping of which symbols are to which stocks. And so General Electric is in cluster 4, is 0.4 over here. IBM 4 as well. I mean cluster 4. So these ones over here, the purple ones. Walmart is in cluster 1. Just the red one over here, so on and so forth. I hope this video was helpful, and write your review. Thank you.